In this video, I'll be hiking in and around Canada's Fundy National Park. We'll take some easy hikes to the park's beautiful rivers and waterfalls, then epic views of the Bay of Fundy coast and the Grand Canyon of New Brunswick. We booked our fully serviced RV site the day booking opened in January. This by far is the most spacious and private RV site we've ever had. This park has something for everyone: a golf course, a swimming pool, and for me and Jolene, it's the trails and access to nature. Dickson Falls is a short and easy hike to one of the park's 25 beautiful waterfalls. A boardwalk takes you down into a lush valley along Dickson Brook to the park's most photographed waterfall. The walk is along a path that is filled with the sound of rushing water and cool air as the hot afternoon sun is filtered through the trees. The boardwalk follows the curves of the river with moss-covered rocks and exposed tree roots. The cool breeze carries the fresh scent of balsam fir while birds call from the forest canopy above. Jolene is looking for a spot to splash around and cool off. The All Trails reviews say that there's a perfect spot along the upper Salmon River Trail. Okay, no, come on. Come. Good job. The well-maintained trail winds through a mixed forest of spruce, fir, and birch. Aside from some elevation changes, the first section of the trail is easy with no roots or obstacles to navigate. Jolene splashed for joy in the shallow pools of the rushing river at the crossing. The river's fresh, crystal clear waters and peaceful walk through the forest make this trail one of the park's best kept secrets. Today we're heading to Herring Cove, where we'll start on a challenging section of the coastal trail, which meets up with the more moderate Matthews Head Trail. Ready? The coastal trail is a rugged hike through the Acadian forest, a mix of towering spruce and firs as well as maple and birch. As we approach Matthews Head, the splendid views begin. The Bay of Fundy is known for having the highest tides in the world, with water levels rising and falling by as much as 50 feet. These dramatic tides have shaped the coastline, creating unique rock formations. The forest along Matthews Head provides a serene and shaded environment, perfect for a leisurely hike with several viewpoints where we can admire the dramatic cliffs, rocky shores, and the vast expanse of the Bay of Fundy. We started on the coastal trail and picked up with Matthews Head Loop, and we're just coming up to the Matthews Head Loop parking lot trailhead, and we're going to head back around the loop back to the coastal trail. Beautiful hike with great scenery. A well-maintained trail leads us through the lush Acadian forest towards one of the most breathtaking views in the province. From the platform, we gaze down into the steep-sided gorge carved by the Walton Glen Brook. Surrounding cliffs rise dramatically on either side, framing the view, offering a stunning contrast to the gentle path that we just followed. It's a short hike with a big payoff. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and watch the next video where we kayak the Bay of Fundy's iconic Hopewell Rocks.